Let's get started with some daily workflow basics. First, we're going to go ahead and log into Shape on the desktop version. Just keep in mind you can also do this on your mobile app. On the right, we are always keeping you up to date with new features and rollouts that we're constantly improving. When you first log in, you're going to be routed to your dashboard, and just to give you a lay of the land, we're going to start here with your contact types up in the upper left-hand corner. We have your master search, which searches through all of those different contact types, ability to add a contact manually, but we can also import from spreadsheets. We can also integrate with all of your lead providers. We'll get into some of these additional tools up at the top in future videos, and you also have your productivity tools on the right-hand side. Before we get into contact management within Shape, I will just note that all of the things that you can do on the desktop version from a day-to-day perspective are also available in the mobile app, including your different contact types. You can search, you have access to all of your prioritized views, and you can quickly take action, as well as look at other key tools within your mobile app. On the desktop view, we're going to go ahead and go to our first prioritized view in the list. This is going to tee up all of your leads from highest priority to lowest priority, and you have your quick actions that allow you to very easily work that lead. You can also do things in bulk if you want to pare back your list and send a big email or text blast, for example. The status of the lead is going to have the system automate follow-up for you so nothing falls through the cracks. And you can also either manually call or you can have AI call and text for you in the background. When you make a call, it's just like using a phone. I'm going to go ahead and pick this up. You can use the keypad, do transfers, call conferences, drop pre-recorded voicemail messages, and call scripts. And you can even open up your screen for more real estate, and you can bring it back out. When you end the call, you can disposition it. For example, leave your call notes, and that automatically saves to the contact record, calculates all of your calls, and will prompt you when it's the next time to follow up. Hope this is a nice overview of how to get started within Shape. More videos to come.